Going back to that lang. Today is Thursday, January
22.
22. There we go. Okay. Hello, everybody! Welcome to another episode of Ang OA. Today, we are taking you on the road. Where's the road? It's right in front of me. He's driving because I am a passenger queen. Okay. Road issues, my darling. Do you have some? And then we will pick this up at home. We'll just, briefly. Traffic issues. Oh, surprisingly, because we are early today, there is no traffic. Let me show you.
I think malamig kaya na
It is pretty cold, yes.
it was 11 degrees earlier. So I think medyo tinamad yung taong bumangon or
You
it's
think?
taking time for them to get up or get ready. Kasi usually ganitong oras medyo
But also,
may,
it's a
may
Thursday, so Thursday morning, ibig sabihin, um, hindi pick up ng basura in this area. So maybe that's why hindi traffic,
hindi,
di ba?
pero usually pag ganito, nag-pile up na dyan yung
Yeah nga, because of
gantong
the garbage
oras.
truck, pero
No,
basura.
not really.
But, maybe.
Every morning, ganun, ganito by
Not
this
really.
time.
I don't know. I've been with you every morning and it's like this most of the time, except for when the garbage truck is blocking the way. Anyway,
Oh,
yes, it's very early. It's only like
it's early, it's
7:16.
cold.
It's early and it's cold. Yes. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. Well, not freezing. Oh, exagero lang sa Pilipinas. Pero it is pretty cold. By
Or
a
freezing
tropical,
in the sense that
for a
we're
tropical
old.
island, it's cold. You know,
Ang
nakakangalay.
iba kasi pag yung cold if you're old,
I guess. Okay, I'm so sorry if the
parang mas
video is going
nalulungkot.
to be shaky because I'm just holding it with my hand. And I need to pause because I gotta show you something. Giving way to the people. There we go. Like, I don't, like, we could have done that ourselves. I'm just but I guess he's helping. Oof. Okay, so this is usually the road we traverse. Again, that word, traverse. Yeah. Yeah. Tapos may nakalagay dito na sign, speed limit 20. Nobody follows. Except for us, we do. We do follow it. The other cars, I don't feel like they're just going 20. Anyway, there we go. And then over to the left over there, that's where we take our turn. Oh, that's the trip to and from our house to the school and then back to the house is around 10 minutes, right? More or less. Yeah, 10 minutes. Anyway, we are home. Yeah. Yes, so now we are home. We will talk to you in a bit. Bye. We are back home and it's still pretty cold. So, please don't use that as a guide. Anyway, guys, we are home. And for this episode, I wanted to talk about, you know, anything road related.
Road to goodness.
Pwede naman. Or like, road rage. Recently, in the news, it has been, you know, there was a 7-year-old who got run over. Diba? Like, very sad that
Tapos meron din yung altercation because merong driver na hindi nagbigay sa tumatawid. There's a rule dito sa there's a law dito sa
sa
Baguio
Baguio, the king of the road,
na
which was adapted from La Trinidad, I believe.
na kailangan
Nauna sila.
pagbigyan mo
Ang pedestrian.
yung pedestrian na tumawid. It's been a road courtesy naman ever since sa Baguio eh.
Even without the building.
Kaya lang nawawala
standalone.
na. Unti-unti naman nawawala. Madami nang nawawala. Basically, ng mga yung nakasanayan na ugali ng mga taga rito. So, I guess they thought they needed a law for it para, matupad.
Para lahat
Pero
sumunod
yun
ng
na nga,
sunod.
because of yung mga ganyan, ang daming cases ng kung ano. And not just sa Baguio. Recently, madami tayong napapanood sa social media na mga nabibigyan ng show cause order ng mga drivers, riders. Quite recently, yung tricycle driver, dami. Pati yung kahapon, yung mga riders naman na nag-upakan, nagrambulan sa
So,
kalye.
going back to that lang. Today is Thursday, January
22.
22. There we go. Okay. So, I know dapat we are a week delayed again. So, anyway, also the one with James Deacon, what happened to him during the holidays and LTO having calendar days as opposed to honoring working days, That was a whole thing. And then it was resolved naman. So, amazing.
Yeah, after
Pero what a hassle.
a few dramas.
Also, ito, recently, something happened to us also. So, yung road sa bahay, kung saan yung bahay ng lola ko is closed for, like, road construction going on. Sa parang one side, one lane. 'Di ba one lane, tama? Tapos, so sinara, pero the thing is, ang nagsara lang nun yung barangay. So, hindi siya like city ordered or whatever. There's nothing like that. So, road closed siya because sabi ng barangay, mahirap nga naman padaanin yung mga maraming cars dun kasi nga nagto-traffic dahil nga ginagawa yung kabilang side. So anyway, sinara, 'di ba? So nagpark ako, nagpark siya in between. Papakita ko yung photo, like I'll put it here, like in between two holes basically. Tapos when we were about to leave na, we're going home na, may ticket na nakasiksik dun sa windshield. Tapos yung nakalagay obstruction. Again, if my uncle still has it, I'm gonna take a photo and then post it on here. Pero if none, basta nakalagay obstruction. And I'm like, how is that obstruction? Like, no car can pass because it's literally in between two holes, 'di ba? So explain that to me. Paano naging obstruction yun?
Ginagawa pa lang
Ginagawa
yun.
yung daan, like how am I creating an obstruction when there are two holes literally in front of the car and the back of it. So walang car na makakadaan dun even if my car wasn't parked there, That's what I'm saying. So thinking about it pa lang, umiinit na yung ulo ko because ang stupid lang. Like, sana naman kasi, 'di ba, gamitan naman ng common sense paminsan-minsan, like kahit paminsan-minsan na lang, 'di ba?
Pero
Like that is so
what
annoying.
we're saying is, talagang no parking naman doon.
Yes,
Uh,
on a normal, nobody
yeah,
parks there because it is
and
a road.
we
And
don't do that.
yes, exactly.
Nagkataon lang ngayon dahil hinuhukay yung mga ano, siyempre
Ginagawa yung daan.
oo, na natatakpan o nasasarahan yung mga driveway. So, magpa-park ka talaga
Yeah,
sa kalye kasi total one way naman.
one way.
At the same time,
It's in between two
in
holes.
between two holes na come to think of it, you're serving as a barrier para
Exactly.
hindi
Mahulog yung
mahulog.
kung
Oo.
somebody there, di ba?
Pero yun na nga yung sinasabi namin dito na parang as far as common sense is concerned, there are certain laws. I mean, speaking of yung mga road issues na yun, ano, sana other than the fact na yun na nga, yung it lacks common sense, sana mapag-aralan din mabuti. Like for example, meron yung bottleneck na may road dito na may bottleneck na because yung kalye is pa ganito, 'di ba? Walang parking dito.
Mm.
Inimpose lang nila na no parking dito considering the fact na pahirapan ang parking sa Baguio.
Mm.
Mas lalo nagko-cause ng traffic 'pag gagawin mo yung gagamitan mo yung road ng dalawang lane tapos hihinto lang pala dito kasi
May
may
bottleneck
harang
na.
na,
Oh, yeah, yeah. I know what
gaganon
you're
na.
talking about, yeah.
Kung pinagparkan mo na lang dito, maiiwasan na nilang gamitin 'to. Wala nang magsisiksikan or magkakaroon ng bottleneck.
Hmm.
Naka-serve ka na nung purpose na mag-provide ng parking space for a road na hindi naman dapat dadaanan talaga kasi merong wall sa harap. Sa may kisad 'to, eh. So, if there are authorities na nanonood, sana ma-address yung mga ganitong issue na common sense yang
Common
driving or
sense
ang
lang.
traffic, eh, ang come to think of it.
Yung
Hindi yung
yung
no parking, tapos hanggang dun na. It's the same thing as ito, yung following that logic, it's the same concept as yung, no parking daw sa isang lane na 'to kasi ginagamit nila. Pero nakatambay doon yung mga police cars na nagmaman
oh,
ng
exactly.
di
Nagmaman ng
nakaharang din
traffic,
sila do'n,
so
hindi
sila
mo
yung
rin
naka-park.
magagamit. So, sayang yung kalyeng yun, hindi mo pinapagamit.
Pero
Kasi
sila pwede,
nakaharang ka
'di ba?
lang, eh. Kasi
Exactly.
sasabihin niyo nagga-guide ka. Eh, di i-park somewhere else.
Exactly. If we can't park there, so can you, 'di ba? You,
That's not the point.
yes, it is not the
That's
point,
not
but
the point. The point
also,
is
yes.
'pag naharangan na yan because there's certain things na hindi na puwedeng, paalisin or it's either a permanent structure or dahil may nakaparada na nagta-traffic.
Mhm.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Magko-cause ka ng bottleneck or hindi mo gagamitin yung lane na yon. So you might as well make use of it as a parking. Kasi dito naman may parking fee. Kumikita ka pa.
Tapos yung
Di
what
ba?
also what we're talking about, yung mga nagkaano, yung mga traffic enforcer na hindi naman marunong mag-drive, 'di ba? Like, pagbibigyan niya yung one lane, like, he's going to ask the other lane to keep going. Pero traffic na, wala nang pupuntahan yung ibang cars. Pero naka-stop, like, go pa rin ng pa-go. Like, siguro ano yun, binibilang ba nila yung mga cars na padadaanin nila? And then kahit regardless kung puno na yun, hindi naman na makakadaan, papago pa din nila kasi bilang nila yung cars, parang ganun, di ba? Because that's what's happening. Like, what you always say, di ba? Keep the intersection open,
Yan.
di ba?
Dito sa Baguio, dati we observed that, eh.
For some
Keeping the
reason,
intersection
oh,
open, which is common courtesy naman kahit saan yan.
dapat.
Pero dito sa Baguio, usually talagang ino-observe yan.
Malalaman mo kung
Pero
Baguio driver or
recently
hindi.
hindi na.
Exactly.
Wala nang gano'n. Tapos meron pa yung sa mga crossroads na ganyan. Yun na nga yung sinasabi ni A, no, na papago ka ng papago doon.
Hmm.
So yung mga naggo-go dito,
Wala nang pupuntahan, puno na yung lane
oo,
na yun. So,
or
kailangan yung kabila
oo,
naman, 'di ba?
tapos iba pa yung papunta
Iba
dito
pa yung
or kung saang direksyon, 'di ba?
kunyari 'pag
Pero
pa-gano'n
yung
siya,
mga
oh,
pinapunta mo minsan doon, pupunuin mo.
pupunuin mo.
So yung next na susunod, 'pag sila na kasi 'pag puno na, papahintuin mo, yung susunod wala nang pupuntahan or saan na
Correct.
pupunta kasi puno na.
Puno na.
So sana magbigay ng konting allowance, tignan nilang mabuti, hindi
Dapat
yung
hindi
pagaw ng
na
pagaw,
haharang yung isang
'di
car
ba?
dun sa intersection kumbaga, 'di ba? Para makadaan pa yung iba.
Kumbaga kung puwede naman nilang bilangin, ilan ang kasya diyan muna, mukhang,
Kahit hindi
approximately 10 cars.
exactly, kahit na
Pagawan
hindi
mo
nila
yung 10
bilangin,
cars.
'di ba? Like makikita mo naman, okey wala nang
Hindi,
dadaan.
yun na nga sinasabi ko, you have to measure, eh,
Yeah,
'di ba?
exactly.
Hindi mo kailangan sa hindi bilangin. I mean tignan mo
Eyeball it if
mabuti.
your ancestors
Oo.
say stop, like, 'di ba? Tapos yung ano, pati
Kumbaga don't send, a boy to do a man's job. Yun yung sinasabi namin dito to the point na
she don't
minsan
know how to
yung
drive.
mga pinapadala diyan na assist sa traffic, hindi naman nila alam yung how to drive minsan na parang dapat ganito yung mga point, eh.
Mhm.
So, wala silang idea how siguro yung concept of, maneuvering, mga gano'n. So, wala tinitignan na nila yung space, eh, yung slot, 'di ba? Pero not the situation. Parang, I mean, something to that effect.
Yun. Tapos yung ano, yung mga motorcycles na ang issue wala okey lang naman sa'kin na magmotor or whatever, 'di ba? Like,
Kasi I'm a
rider ka din
rider
naman.
myself.
Oo. So, I have some knowledge. I can't like I would rather be on horse pero, 'pag sa motorcycle yung issue ko, like there is a blind side for a reason. Ilang beses na 'di ba, like muntik makabangga because dun sila sa blind side dumadaan. It's freaking annoying. So, I mean, paano nakakakuha ng lisensya 'tong mga 'to? Like, I remember when I was trying to get my license, I had such a hard time. I was so nervous about going into take the practical test kasi may practical driving test when I did it, 'di ba? Like, I don't understand how these people just got their licenses without like
Hindi, meron
knowing like
kasi
the basic
okay,
rules.
then again,
So
back
freaking
dun sa
ano,
sinasabi ko kanina, when it comes to the use of, the road 'no, sana aware yung tao, not just the road being for them as a rider, as a driver, or sa pedestrian. Dapat alam mo how to be each,
mhm,
'di ba? Kasi
yeah,
parang you're going to be a rider pero hindi mo alam how it is with a driver. That's the reason why you
nasa
always
car.
pass sa blind side. Hindi mo alam
Exactly,
na
hindi mo alam na
yung
the
it's a
driver of the car
that's
cannot
not
see
your blind side as the
as the
rider,
rider
pero it's a blind side
sa
for the
car.
driver.
Oo, na
So minsan yung mga nagda-drive, ah, this side is kumbaga, ah, unobstructed, come to think of it. Para kung nagkataon na they're focused dito ta's biglang merong, ah,
dito sa side na 'to.
sa siguro sabihin mo sa under some circumstance na kailangan niya oh, tapos bigla pa
Biglang may
pero blind side, kumbaga
din
iwas siya, may blind side,
nakaiwas
biglang
nga siya dun sa tamang
pero
nasa
meron
linya,
palang
pero meron palang
lumusot pala na hindi niya nakita yon
which
kasi
has
it's supposed to
happened.
be dapat unobstructed, 'di ba?
Exactly, 'di
Pero
ba?
dahil nga yun yung blind side mo ta's biglang may rider na dumadaan, sino may kasalanan,
Sila pa yung aggressive, like,
'di ba?
it's so freaking annoying.
Ngayon meron naman kasing ewan ko, meron din kasing tinatawag na 'pag ang dumaan naman ang motorcycle o mga riders sa gitna in between nung 2 lane na 'yan,
It's
it's
fine
called
because they
filtering.
oh,
Sa filtering ang alam ko kasama ang Baguio, ay ang Philippines sa, hindi puwede na bawal ang filtering,
but they do it.
'di ba? So, sa akin naman kung tutuusin mo they
Diyan na
should
naman
review
ulit
that, puwede dapat
diyan
'yun.
na naman ulit pumapasok yung common sense.
'Di ba? Hindi kaya nga as far as
Mm,
policies or road,
mm.
rules and regulations are concerned, sana bigyan ng pansin or tignan nila kung ano yung possible na puwede nilang i-adjust or i-amend or, for in aid of legislation, everything na mga bagay-bagay para
Yeah,
ma-address kasi mahirap, eh. As much as gano'n din naman yung mga drivers naman. Minsan as a driver 'pag hindi ka rider hindi mo rin alam yung nasa isip ng rider.
that's true. You so
So,
you know
unfair din naman dun sa mga rider na ang tanga nung driver, alam mo yun? So, it goes both
okay,
ways. So,
yeah,
sana
I get
parehong
it.
alam yung yung sitwasyon.
So basically the point is be
Be
kumbaga,
considerate
be
doon
considerate
sa
of
ano,
not just yourself
oo.
but of the
Same
other
goes with
people on the road.
sa pedestrian. Yung
Yeah.
pedestrian, ang dami namang pedestrian dito, entitled na entitled na
Pinatawid ka
kailangan
na nga, nagso-stroll ka
oo.
pa. Girl, bilisan mo
Ang
na.
ang pagtawid hindi pa mamasyal.
Sense of
Minsan
urgency lang
oo,
minsan.
minsan, dahil sa pagtawid mong yun, dahil ang bagal-bagal mo, the first driver na pinagbigyan ka had that courtesy to stop. Pero you're taking your
Your
time
time.
or talagang feeling mo dapat entitled kang papadaanin, makikita mo nag-cause ka na pala ng traffic.
Exactly.
What
Like,
if it's an intersection yung sinusundan? Nag-cause na instead na mag-go na yung nasa gitna dahil biglang nag-red light na. Doon na
wala
nag-cause
na.
eh. It's
Yeah.
because of one pedestrian na
Inconsiderate.
oo. So,
Diba?
dapat tingnan ding mabuti yun. Hindi yung feeling nyo na bigyan ng law na kailangan
King
huminto
of
ang
the
mga
road.
kotse para sa inyo.
Oo.
Sa akin, hindi ako totally agree sa mga ganun eh. Kasi common sense pa rin dapat ang pairalin.
Mhm.
Kung wala namang tumatawid, makikita mo naman yan dahil as a driver, dapat aware
You
ka.
talking about you're supposed to stop at the
Oo,
pedestrian for like 10
5
seconds. 5
seconds.
seconds, ganun.
Kahit na
10
walang
seconds.
tumatawid?
Oo.
Really?
Oo nga
Kasi
naman, wala namang tao. Like, there's
oo.
nobody
Kasi
around.
kaya lang naman nagiging conscious ang tao sa ganyan because may law eh. Pero kung tutuusin mo, proper road courtesy alone without all those laws, basta may road courtesy ka, hindi kailangan ng mga laws na
Tsaka
yan.
ako,
And that
regardless of
road
the law
courtesy
or
goes
whatever,
for everyone.
I
Hindi yung
always
sa
stop
driver lang.
kapag
Dapat
may
sa driver, sa
tatawid.
rider, sa pedestrian, everyone.
Diba? Lagi kami nagpapatawid, hindi kami nagmamadali. Like, pag may tatawid, go, stop kami, sige, tawid kayo, diba? Like, pero like, be careful pa
Hindi,
din.
yung sa ganyan, okay.
Be careful pa din kasi we could
Madami
have
kasing
stopped,
ganyan eh.
but the other,
Ito
sa
na
other
lang.
lanes, diba?
I've been driving for almost 40 years.
Damn, that's a long time. You're old.
Alam mo, you should, kumbaga by then, or sabihin mo sa mga baguhan dahil inaral nyo naman yan, I suppose, kaya nga, di ba, dapat ganito. Minsan, you want to be nice, pero ilugar naman ninyo. Minsan, pwede ka nang lumusot eh, pero dahil may tumatawid, kahit malayo pa, hihintayin mong dumaan. You're being considerate doon sa pedestrian, pero hindi mo tinignan yung nasa likod mo. Tignan mo kung baka ang haba ng pila na magkukos ka all of a sudden. So, tignan mo muna. As much as yung pedestrian, dapat tinignan niya muna kung dapat na siyang tumawid para pagbigyan kung sino man yung sitwasyon ng ano. So, being considerate sa kalye, tignan mo yung lahat ng anggulo, hindi lang yung para sa sarili mo. Kasi that way, pag tinignan mo yung para sa sarili mo, na gusto mong gawin lang yung dapat mong gawin, entitled ka. Hindi ka dapat entitled. Be considerate doon sa, tama na ba? Ako, kahit na pwede na akong tumawid or dahil may karapatan ako na tumawid,
Pero
pahihintuin
makikita mo
ko.
na,
Kasi ito, pet peeve ko to eh.
yung
Ayaw mo,
nagaganon.
yung gaganunin ka na parang, minsan
Bakit?
tumatawid na gano'n, ganito.
Masastop ba ako if I were crazy,
Diba?
hindi ako
Yabang.
masastop ng kamay mo kung gusto kitang sagsaan.
Diba?
Like, if I were crazy, diba? So, wag niyo yan gawin. Like, that's rude. First of all, that's very rude to do. Yung magaganon ka. Like,
Oo. We're talking about road, hindi rude.
but it's
Rude
just so
courtesy.
it's so rude. Like, I hate it when people do that. Makes me want to run you over.
Diba? Entitled lang.
Like, okay, gets ko na,
Sabi
tumigil
nga
na
nila,
ako. You don't
kumbaga,
have to
know
like...
the difference between a privilege and a right.
Exactly. Driving
Diba?
is... What is driving? Driving is a privilege, not a right.
Pati naman
Pati
yung
sa
pagtawid.
pagtawid.
Diba? So, lahat yan, tignan nyo mabuti sana.
Basta wala
Hindi
nang
yung ganun.
entitlement. Like, literally, let's
Tsaka
not be entitled.
yung mga gumagawa naman ng mga laws.
Common sense. Sana.
Kung ano-ano kasi mga pinaggagawa nyo din eh.
Ano lang, mema lang.
Ngayon nga, meron pa
Nakakainis.
yung pothole law. Diba?
What is that? I've never
Yung
heard of it.
anti-splash. law.
Well,
Oh, again, sabi ko, road courtesy. Pag sobrang lakas ng ulan, minsan hindi mo alam may pothole doon. Aandar ka.
pag accident
Oo.
kasi, I get it.
So,
Yes.
ano ngayon yan? Pag accident na, natatalsikan
Because
siya,
there are some,
pwede na ngayon magdemanda.
okay.
Yung nabasa.
Pero pwede madali naman lang sabihin ng driver na, I am sorry, I didn't see it.
Yeah, but it
Diba?
will take time. Na tipong it will eat up yung oras mo para to explain pa kung may
Yeah,
mga ganyan
that is true.
because may law.
It's so inconvenient.
'Di ba? Yung road courtesy na sana at as much as yun na nga, kung tatanggalin natin yung entitlement sa atin, na tipong maintindihan lang natin, "Oops, I had a bad day today, nasplasan ako." 'Di ba? Yung magandang disposition mo, hindi yung
Has that ever happened to you?
oo, ilang beses.
It's never happened to me because
'Di ba?
like I never go
Pero
out.
sa akin, wow! 'Di ba? Ikaw pa nga dito makikita mo pa nga kung kaano kaaliw na yung tipong yung mga tao, takbuhan kasi alam nilang baka mabasa sila.
I've never
'Di ba? Pero
experienced
yung
being
tipong
splashed.
kahit saan ka nalang dumaan puwede kasi kailangan bigyan ka ng magandang sitwasyon.
Pwede, madali lang din naman yun iwasan if you're a driver. Just don't drive fast kapag
Exactly. Kaya nga road
umuulan.
courtesy sa both sides,
Both
'di
sides,
ba?
yeah.
Hindi yung meron isang entitled na na party or na end para lang pagbigyan.
It's the same as when you're walking din, di ba? When you're walking on a like sidewalk, di ba? Naglalakad kayo sa sidewalk. Tapos alam mong rush hour or ano, lakad ka na mabilis. This is not the time for you to be strolling. Like there are places that you go to walk to stroll. Parks, di ba?
Oo.
Pero hindi yung mga busy na mga
Be
sidewalk na
be courteous enough,
pinadaanan
be
ng mga tao.
considerate enough, 'di ba?
Yes.
Hindi yung ewan ko, ang dami kasi mga hintad. Same thing with yun, pag sa dating sa escalator, stay on the right
Exactly.
side. Parang sa
Kailangan ba kayong mag-holding
oo,
hands kung magjowa kayo sa escalator?
parang sa
I don't
sa road
understand.
din 'yan. Fast lane, slow lane,
Yeah,
'di
exactly.
ba?
Oo. So, sa escalator nga, yun yung issue ko eh. Yung magjowa na they take up both the space na ano. Eh, di ba nga, dapat nga dito ka lang kapag steady ka, tapos dito yung walking lane. For people who are in a rush. Malay mo may emergency, hindi mo alam. So, kailangan nilang wala namang stairs, escalator lang talaga. So, alam mo yun, kailangan nyo bang umakyat ng escalator na iti-take up nyo yung parehong space tapos magka-holding hands kayo? Like,
Yeah, but that's for another,
like,
Kasi we're talking
oh
about
my
the road
God.
here.
Pero like, yes,
Okay, but
again,
the concept
courtesy.
is there.
Yes,
Okay, so
courtesy lang.
anyway,
Courtesy.
actually, as far as road
Be
courtesy
courteous
or
lang.
any road issues is concerned, madami.
Sobra, it's
Mahabang
gonna be like
usapin to
a talk
actually.
forever.
So, for now siguro, yun na lang muna. But at the same time, you know, we want to do this actually yung nasa road kami. When we started yung vlog, actually nagsimula kami sa kotse eh. Yung kay Ding Dong pa, yung dyan lang tayo sa kanto. Hindi lang na-post yun eh. Pero yun yung first ever na dapat na gagawin
No,
namin.
na-post natin yun.
No.
Oh, anyway, I don't know what happened to that video.
Yun yung dapat namin gagawin na magkakaroon sana kami ng parang road trip kind of
We could have done that in
vlog.
Bicol.
Oo, pero
We did it.
lagi namang we don't have the equipment for it for
Yeah,
now.
it's hard.
Diba? So,
Anyway,
sana matuloy yon dahil ang dami namin plano. Before, gusto pa nga namin yung parang typical na we'll just invite our friends na sa backseat. Tapos
yeah,
it's like
that's what we wanted.
interview, ganun, di ba? While talking about anything,
Yeah.
pero nasa road lang.
We're
Sa
gonna do
road
that
trip kind
still
of thing.
anyway. Yeah.
Yung ganun na, so hopefully. Pero for now, that's about it muna para not to take much of your time.
Just be cautious when you're on the road, whether you're a rider, a driver, a pedestrian. Just be cautious. Be kind on the road as well, you know? Dun minsan nagsisimula ang pagkasira ng araw ng driver,
At saka
ng
isipin nyo,
rider, ng pedestrian.
karamihan ng mga road rage nangyayari. entitled yung nagalit.
It's because of the entitlement. So let's
Oo.
remove that. When we're on the road, let's practice
Ako
patience.
may pinaghuhugutan ako dito, kasi nung bata ako, nagba-bike
Oo
kami
pala.
ng brother ko.
That's crazy. That is a crazy
Oo,
story.
karapatinlan na namin sa road.
Hmm.
Meron lang isang couple na parang feeling nila muntik kaming tinamaan. Nagtataka kami, ang luwag nung kalye. Pero siguro, hindi siya ganun ka mag-drive.
Experienced.
Parang feeling niya, maling-mali kami. Sinampal pa ako. Bata ako Bata
You
ako.
were like 12, I think. You said you were
Oo,
12.
kasi those were our BMX
That's
days. Our
crazy,
BMX days.
diba?
Sinampal ako. Nung kwento ko nga sa tatay ko galit na galit eh. Pero
At abogado tatay niya, kung
the mere fact
tutuusin.
na
He could have
I got the plate number, nakalimutan ko lang eh. Pero dahil sa sobrang galit ko nung bata ako yun, tinandaan ko yung plate number na, alam mo yun, gusto kong pumawi or something. Kasi sira ulo, yun yung mga entitled na tao. Na if I
Sila
were
na
an
nga yung
adult,
muntik
if
makabangga.
I were an adult, suntukan yun. Which is, yun yung mga nangyayari ngayon.
Exactly.
Because of that kind of attitude ng mga tao na
I
entitled
think
sila.
I remember you telling me this story because of that incident na yung car, hinabol niya yung rider na 17-year-old because parang muntik siyang
Oo, yung,
mabangga. Yung ganun.
di ba?
Tapos
May mga
hinabol niya at
situation
binangga
when
niya.
it
Like,
comes to
it's
the
crazy.
road, no? Lalo na pag nag-drive ka, nag-ride ka or anything. May mga let go situation yan. Pero kung
That's
ang
one of the things
umiral
that you
sa
should let
inyo is
go.
yung ego ninyo, tapos may
Exactly.
entitlement pa, may
Exactly.
sense of entitlement pa, believe me, walang mangyayari dyan
Yun na
kung
nga.
hindi gulo.
Diba? Dapat when we're on the road, wala tayong ego, sa totoo lang. Kasi,
Yeah,
ano ba pinagmamalaki mo? Yung maganda mong sasakyan? Yung
yeah,
maganda mong motor? Ano, at the end of the day, if you get into an accident, magiging pantay-pantay lang tayo. We'll get hurt the same, like, di ba?
yeah. Walang kinalaman
Oh, yung gara
yung
ng sasakyan mo.
yung luxury
Exactly. Like,
luxury car or versus yung karag-karag.
exactly. If you get into an
Aksidente,
accident,
aksidente, di ba?
masasaktan kayo pareho.
Oo. Dito kasi,
Regardless.
yun nga, because of that entitlement, ah, nasa tao rin yan eh. How they perceive yung mga taong big time na kotse. Parang, uy, big time to. Huwag nating
Which is
ano
wrong,
yung ganong bagay.
exactly.
So, meron din naman yung nasa kabilang side nun na parang, hindi pa din mayaman nga, ganito, ganito.
Oo
So,
nga, true.
mayabang na rin. Di ba? So, tignan niyo yung tricycle driver
Exactly
di ba?
na mayabang.
Nagngarat-ngarat pa siyang sabi ang
Kahit
yabang.
na alam niya
Nung
mali
nagkaroon
siya,
naman, pinatawag niya siya.
biglang
Mali na
fall.
di ba?
Alam mo yun?
Ayaw nating humusga kasi hindi naman natin nakita yung buong sitwasyon.
Which is
Pero
what,
yung point is, sana naiwasan lahat yan. Di ba? Kung ayaw niyong mahuli ni Gabriel Go or kung
whoever,
whoever,
I hate when they give out that excuse na parang, yung kapag nag-viral na sila, tapos marami nang nagalit, marami nang nang-bash, like, sasabihin nila, like, huwag kayong manghusga, kasi ganyan. Like, in the first place, walang mangyayari na ganun if you kept your cool on the road, di ba? Like, if the lesson is, if you're able to dish it out, you're supposed to be able to lick it up as well.
yeah.
You know?
So,
So,
that's it for now.
that's
Stop
it for
over
now.
muna kami for
Stop over.
breakfast.
Yes.
Okay, so mag-stop over
Have a
muna
great
kami sa
day,
usapan.
everybody.
Okay,
This will be
imagine nyo na, this is the vlog we're talking about na we're driving. So, mag-stop over muna kami. So, see you in the next,
the next
in
episode.
the next
Roads area.
stop over.
Stop over. Anyway, you guys, I am A,
I'm O.
and together we are ang
Okay.
OA. Bye!